turn off your data sharing on Flow application. First, you want to open your Flow app, and inside the Flow app, you want to simply tap on profile icon over here at the top left of your screen. By doing so, you want to simply scroll down from here and tap on privacy settings. Here you'll be able to see all of your privacy settings, and what you want to do is you want to simply turn off what you can minimize your data sharing process. You want to simply tap on change account details over here. After that, you want to simply remove or minimize. You want to simply remove some of the information from here that you don't want to be shared. Tap on manage your consents over here. Turn off allow tracking, turn off your Flow process my health data, and this is how you delete your account as well. You can also delete your account from here, and by doing so your data won't be shared through Flow application. Hope this video is helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one.